In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable account. If you're new to Airtable or looking for a flexible tool to manage your projects and collaborate with your team, then setting up an account is your first step. Creating an account on Airtable is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Airtable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, airtable.com. Once the website loads, you'll notice the homepage is designed to be user-friendly and visually appealing with its clean interface. This makes finding what you need quick and easy. Now direct your attention toward the option that says, Get Started for Free. This option is generally easy to spot and is there to invite new users to sign up without any cost. Click on this link and you'll be directed to the Sign Up section, where you're offered multiple options to create your account. The next step will have you choose how you'd like to sign up. For simplicity and seamless integration, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This integrates your new Airtable account with your existing Google account, making logins fast and access to your resources secure and reliable. To proceed, click on the Continue with Google button. After clicking that option, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use with Airtable. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that best aligns with your professional needs. Once you've made your choice, you might be required to authorize Airtable to access certain information from your Google account. This is standard procedure and allows Airtable to function efficiently. Rest assured, Airtable values your privacy and handles your data with care. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you now have your very own Airtable account set up and ready to use. With your account, you can start exploring the powerful features Airtable offers, such as creating bases, customizing your workflows, and inviting your team members to collaborate with you in real time. Whether you're managing personal projects or team tasks, Airtable is designed to make your work more organized and streamlined. Remember, as you continue to use Airtable, there's a wealth of resources and community support available to help you navigate and maximize its features. Explore templates, forums, and guides to further enhance your productivity. So, that wraps up our guide today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Now it's your turn to dive in and harness the potential of Airtable for all your project management needs. Happy organizing!